Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace glass on a broken virtual display. This one comes off a 2016 Volvo S60 and has a crack right here. So what I needed to do, I needed to order replacement glass. Right here, there's a part number. And the cost is around, I think, $90 without the discount. With a discount, if you have a discount at the Volvo, it should be like 70, I think, $7. So let's see. That's how it comes. Okay, so here's a new glass, and these are going on the side. They basically like probably dust shields, so the dust doesn't get in. And let's put it right here. So what I'm gonna do, all I have to do is push the clips right here, and then on the side you have to remove the dust protector. These are the ones that you get in a new kit. That holds the glass also. So there is one on each side. Okay, so right now I can remove the glass right here. All these have to be pushed. If you take the car from, if you take the speedometer from the car that is cold, you might want to keep it at home a little bit so you don't break anything, because plastic doesn't like cold. Okay. There we go. All are replaced, removed, except one here. I'm not going to touch nothing here. Everything looks good. All we want is insert the new glass. Right here. I'm not going to touch it even underneath. All I'm going to do is insert it just like that, push it in, and it's all done, nice and new, brand new. Now these go on the side. If I remove the tape, okay, Okay, I'm gonna insert on the side. Just like that. The same spot. Now the other one. Right there. Yeah, and it's all done. Brand new screen. Dust protectors are on the side. All ready to go in the car.